If the stars fall down on me and the sun refuse to shine, then may the shackles be undone. May all the old words cease to rhyme. If the sky turn into stone, it will matter not at all, for there is no heaven in the sky. Hell does not wait for our downfall. Let the voice of reason shine. Let the bias vanish for all time. God traces hidden, all unseen. You can ask him what it all means. He was never on your side. God was never on your side. Let right and wrong alone decide. God was never on your side. See 10,000 ministries, see the holy, righteous dogs. They claim to heal, but all they do is steal. Abuse your faith, cheat and rob. If God is wise, why is he still, when these false prophets call him friend? Why is he silent? Is he